Good morning, viewers. Once again, I welcome all of you to this presentation on Madakari Karma. One among the most important karmas in Ayurveda is Madakari Karma, the nirukti of which goes like Madana, Madayati, Mad, with Nich and Lu Pratyay. Here the na syllable within bracket refers to the neutral gender of the word madana, and the root verb mada with the combination of the two suffixes nich and lu forms the word madana. Havikarake means intoxicates. This is the nirukti as per Vasaspatya volume 6. That which intoxicates is madakari. The paribhasa or the definition of madakari is buddhing lumpati yad dravyam madakari tad uchyate. Buddhing, the intellect, lumpati, which diminishes, yad, the dravya, madakari tad uchyate, that is called madakari dravya. Tamoguna pradhanam, the madakari dravyas are predominant of tamoguna. Cha yatha, as for example, madhya suradikam, madhya and sura. A dravya which is predominant with tamoguna and hence hampers the mental faculties is called as madakari in Ayurveda, as for example, madhya and sura. And to correlate this with alcohol, as you know, alcohol is a neuronal depressant. The highest areas of our brain are very easily dearranged, and these are primarily inhibitory, apparent excitation and euphoria. So euphoria and excitation are experienced at lower concentrations. Thereby hesitation, caution, self-criticism and restraint are first lost in alcohol intoxication, as you know. Mood and feelings are also altered. Anxiety may also come after that. With increasing concentration, mental clouding, disorganization of thought, as you know, impairment of memory and other faculties, then alteration of perception and drowsiness comes. And after all, the performance is impaired, as you know, and there will be fine discrimination and precise movements will be obliterated. This is as per K.D. Tripathi sir, who explains the impairment of mental faculties in case of alcohol. Now, let us see another important karma called Pramathi karma. The nirukti of it is Prapurvam Athato Kartari Nit Pramathan Silaha Dehendriya Chobhakaha Ityarthaha. Pramatha u Pramatha with Bhave Pramathanam Balat or Haranat. That which agitates or tears and sets in motion is called Pramathi. That which agitates or tears out and then sets in motion is called Pramathi Dravya. The paribhasa of it or the definition goes like Nija Viryena Yad Dravyam Srotebhyo Dosa Sanchayam Nirashyati Pramathi Syat Tadyatha Maricham Vasa. Nija Viryena means by its own potency. Yad Dravyam, that dravyas. Srotebhyo Dosa Sanchayam, the dosas accumulated in the srotasas. Nirashyati, eliminates out. Pramathi-syat, those are called Pramathi dravyas. Tadyatha is, for example, Marich and Vacha. As per Sarangarha Samhita Pratham Khand, 4th chapter, 23rd and 24th sloka. The meaning of the sloka goes like, a drabya by virtue of its potency removes the accumulated doses from the srotas is called pramati. As for example, Marich and Vacha. Now let us see the Vyavai karma. The nirukti of it, V dhatu with our, in and ghang suffixes forms the word Vyavai, which is the nirukti of Vyavai as per Vachaspati volume 6. That which dissolutes is called Vyavai is the meaning of the nirukti as explained. Now let us see the definition or paribhasa of Vyavai. Purvam vyapya akhilang kayah tatah pakam cha gacchati vyavai tadyatha bhanga fena cha hi samudbhavam. Vyavai cha akhilang deham vyapya pakaya kalpate vyapnoti deham adau yat pachat pakam cha gacchati tad vyavai. Here you can see Purvam Vyapya Akhilang Kayaha. Purvam at first, Vyapya which spreads, Akhilang throughout, Kayaha whole body. Tatah Pakam cha gacchati. After that only it goes for digestion or metabolism. Vyavai tadyatha, that is called Vyavai. As for example, Bhang Ahifen. The dravya which spreads throughout the body and later undergoes digestion is called Vyavai. As for example, Bhang and Ahifena. Now comes another important karma, Vikasi. The nirukti of Vikasi goes like Vikasittam, Vikasanasilattam, Sartamiti Yavat. Vikasittam Tadi Ti Hinsa Silatva. Vipurvahi Kasati Hityartha. That which is having spreading nature is called Vikasi. The paribhasa or definition of Vikasi dravyas are Sandhi Bandhastum Sithilam Karoti Vikachi Tat Vishlesho Ojasyaha Dhatubhyo Yatha Kramuka Kotravaha. Vikasi Vikasanneva Dhatubandhan Vimoksayet Vikasi Syad Sandhibandhya Vimoksayet. Sandhi bandhastu sithilan karoti. Sandhi bandha, here the joints of our skeletal system. Sithilan means loosen. Karoti, which does loosening of the joints. Vikasi tat, those are called vikasi. Vishlesho ojasya, it also diminishes the ojaha. Dhatubhyo, dhatus are also loosened. Yatha, those for example, Kramuka and Kotrava. The dravya by which ojas is disunited from the dhatu and loosens the sandhibandha joints is known as Vikasi. These dravyas are Vayubhuta predominant. As for example, Kramuka and Kotrava. Now, one familiar term in Ayurveda which is having very much relevance in today's world is Rasayana. The word Rasayana comprises of two words, which Rasa and Ayana. The word Rasa is derived from the root Rasagato, which means to move. Thus, the fluid which is on constant movement is Rasa. The word Ayana is derived from the root Ayanam Samanam Gatyatha, means moving or entrance or to carry. Tatra rasagato dhatu aharaha gacchati iti rasaha. Now the definition of it is rasanam raktadinam ayanam atpayanam labhopayo hi sastanam rasadinam rasayanam. Rasayana is that which carries the rasa to the different parts of the body. It makes rasadhatu as an ayana to supply the nutrients to the concerned dhatu or srotas. Rasayanam cha tadgeyam yajja jara vyadhinasanam yatha amrita rudanti cha gugulusha haritaki. Rasayanam cha tadgeyam, that one is called as rasayana. Yaj, which one? Jara vyadhinasanam. Jara is old age, vyadhi is diseased status of body, nasanam which destroys. Yatha amrita, as for example amrita, rudanti, gogulu and haritaki. Those dravyas which destroy jara and vyadhi are rasayana, as for example haritaki, which is Terminalia cebula, amrita, Tinospora cordifolia, rudanti is Crassia cretica, gugulu is Commiphora mucul. Now let us see the benefits of rasayana as explained in Charak Samhita Chikitsasthana. Dirgham ayusmriting medham arugyam tarunam vayah prabha varna sara uddajya dehendriya valang param vak siddhing pranating kanting lavate cha rasayanam labhopayo hi sastanam rasadinam rasayanam. If one takes rasayana dravya, he will have benefits like dirghayu, longevity, tarunam vayaha, preservation of youthfulness, vayasthapana, maintains youth, jara vidhamsi, destroys the old age, brimhana, with promoting vrishya, improves sexual ability, dehabala, improves physical endurance, indriyabala, optimal sensory cognition, chakshusya, maintains good vision, smriti medhakara, improves memory and intellectual ability, prabha means imparts charm, varna imparts complexion, swara gives good voice, kanti promotes luster, and pranati is highly adorable. These are 15 benefits as explained in Charak Samhita Chikitsasthana as the effects of rasayana or the benefits of rasayana. Now let us say Vaji Karana. The nirukti of it goes like Avaji Vajiva Kriyate Anena Vajin. Chick and Lot. The word Vajikarana is formed from the root verb Vajin with chick and Lot pratyay or suffixes. In combination with chick and Lot, the Vajin root verb forms the word Vajikarana. Vrishyaha. It is a Pulinga, means it is a word of masculine gender. Vishaya hito Vrishaha Sukra Viddhi Karake. That which increases libido is called Vajikarana. The definition or paribhasha of Vajikarana goes like Yasmat Drabhyat Bhavet Strishu Harsho Vajikaram Chatat Yatha Nagavalagya Shu Virijyam Sa Kapikachujam. This is as per Sarangata Samhita Pratham Khanda 4th chapter 14th to 15th slok. That which improves one's sexual vigor is Vajikara. As for example, Nagavala and Kapikachu. Yena narishu samartham vajivallabhate naraha brajashabhyadhikam yena vajikarana mevatat. That which imparts sexual strength like a horse is vajikara and does help to beget a good pregnancy. Now let us see the mechanism of action of Vajikara Dravya. This can be studied in 3 types. The first one is Sukra Vriddhikara, which is Sukra Janaka, Sukra Srutikara, which is Sukra Pravartaka, Sukra Vriddhi Srutikara, which is Sukra Janaka and Pravartaka in combination. The mechanism of Sukra Vriddhikara goes like it increases Sukra through Dhatupusti. As for example, Mamsa. Mamsa increases Sukra through Dhatupusti. Sukra Srutikara or Sukra Pravartaka improves ejaculation. Sankalpa and Vachata Kamchurna is one example of Sukra Srutikara Dravya. Now, Sukra, Vriddhi and Srutikara are the dravyas like increases Sukra as well as ejaculation also, like Masa, Dugdha and Kakanda Phala.